Righto, honey soy 2-minute noodles. It's the day after Anzac Day, which means your parents either blew all your fucking money and you're having noodles and leftover chockies, or mum and dad got up and you're getting Chinese and going to fucking Taronga Zoo on Monday. Pretty obvious where I fucking land. I'm not good, and I probably won't be good for the foreseeable future. Let's do it, and they better be fucking good, because this is dinner for the next 5 nights, and just like last night, these come with 2 sachets, not the usual 1. I'm actually all talk. I was in bed at 8:20 okay with KFC. I pulled the pin after I done my ass in. Here they are, and a reminder, the correct way to eat noodles is drain the water and then add the fucking seasoning. Cheers. 6 out of 10. They're okay. They're salty with a sweet soy aftertaste. They want to be the Red Rock Deli, but they do just taste like mee gorengs without the fucking onion or spice.